Tempo उलोवपाचें. I'll just have to speak or you'll ask questions.
कितें जालां
एक्चुअली इशू जाला कितें हांगा जे पळय कोवीड केसीस आसा न्ही डे बाय डे ते रायज जायत आसा. आज असो जाला की एक 12 केसीस आमकां उगडकेक आयिल्ले आसा आनी थोडे टेस्टिंगाक गेल्ले आसा. तरी आसतना गव्हर्मेंट आमचे खातीर कांयच करना. वी हॅव बीन रिक्वेस्टिंग देम टू एटलीस्ट गिव अस सम रिलीफ. एक तर तुमी क्लोज डावन करात किंवा 50% वी आर रेडी टू वर्क बिकॉज वी आर सिटींग इन क्लोज प्रॉक्सिमिटी. हांगा तुका सोशल डिस्टन्सिंगूय मेंटेन जायनाच खंय आमी बसतात थंय. ते म्हणटात सॅनिटायझेशन केल्यार कांयच फायदो ना कित्याक आज तुमी सॅनिटायझेशन करता फाल्यां थंयच पॉझिटीव केस मेळटा. हे जर अशें वाडत गेले एक दीस अशें जातलें वील ऑल बिकम पॉझिटीव आनी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन वील टोटली कॉलेप्स. ते कॉलेप्स जावचे पयलीं गव्हर्मेंटान कितें तरी डिसिजन घेवन एक कितें तरी आमचे खातीर गायडलायन्स काडचे दॅट वी शूड बी अलावड टू वर्क. We cannot work from home because we don't have that much amenities. At least we can work on 50% basis or whatever it is. But there should be some clarity how we are supposed to work. बरें भायले लोक येतात. वी हॅव बीन रिक्वेस्टिंग देम टायम एंड अगेन की भायल्यान लोकांक भितर धाडनाकात. इनस्पायट ऑफ दॅट भायलो पब्लीक भितर येता आमचे कॉन्टॅक्टान येता आमकां हें करता. सो वी आर अगेन रिस्कींग आवर लायफ. नॉट ओन्ली आवर लायफ वी ऑल्सो रिस्कींग देर लायफ. अशे परिस्थितीन आमी काम कशें करपाचें. आज अशी परिस्थिती सगळ्यांच्या भितर भंय निर्माण जाला बिकॉज एवरी वन हॅज स्मॉल किड्स एट होम. दे हॅव सिनियर सिटीजन्स एट होम. नॉट ओन्ली दॅट मेनी ऑफ आर स्टाफ हॅव ते कोमॉर्बिडिटीज. कोणाक डायबिटीज आसा कोणाक प्रेशर आसा कोणाक आनी कितें दुयेंस आसा. इनस्पायट ऑफ दॅट वी आर बींग मेड टू वर्क. वी आर नॉट बीन गिवन एनी रिलीफ. तो इशू आसा. बिकॉज ऑफ दॅट एवरी वन हॅज कम आउट इन ओपन दॅट गव्हर्मेंट शूड डू समथींग फॉर अस. आज पर्यंत एज पर वॉट वी नो इज अराउंड 12. या पयलींचे जे रिकवर जाल्यात ते धरून स्पेसिफीक अशें ना. प्रत्येक डिपार्टमेंटान मेळत वता. रेव्हेन्यू डिपार्टमेंटान 4 जाल्ले आसा. होम डिपार्टमेंटान 2 सुमार जाल्ले आसा. CSच्या ऑफिसान कितें एक मेळ्ळा. सेक्रेटरीच्या ऑफिसान जाल्ले आसा. हेल्थ अशें प्रत्येक हातून जायत आसा. सो वी डोंट नो खंयच्यान स्प्रेड जाता कितें कांयच खबर ना आमकां. म्हणून दॅट इज वॉट वी वॉन्ट समथींग. वी शूड समवन शूड एप्रोच अस एंड गिव अस एश्युरन्स बाबा तुमी अशें हातून यात म्हणून स्टॅगर्ड मॅनर ऑर वॉट एवर इट इज स्टील एवरीथींग इज क्लियर्ड. Yeah, we have spoken to the seniors. They are not giving us any decision. We have spoken just now also. No decision is being given. We spoke to Secretary GA also. They are busy at the moment. They said later on, but even then we are not ready to wait because our life is precious. Our family life is precious for us. Families जावं आमचे नेबर्स जावं सगळ्यांचेच लायफ आमकां प्रेशियस आसा. वी आर डुईंग दीस फॉर द सोसायटी नॉट फॉर आवर सेल्फ. बिकॉज वन पर्सन कॅन कॅरी द डिजीज टू मेनी पीपल. दॅट इज द ओनली थिंग वी वॉन्ट टू डू.
पळय सरकारान सद्या पर्यंत तरी आमकां आमची सेफ्टी चिंतपाक जाय. ह्यो जे केसीस हांगा जर सेक्रेटरीट इज अ बॅकबोन ऑफ दी गव्हर्मेंट. ह्याच जर डिपार्टमेंटान जर अशें जर जावपाक लागलें जाल्यार ताका आनी कांय आमी हें करूंक शकना. त्या केसी वाडल्या कितल्यो त्या प्रमाणे सरकारान कितें तरी डिसिजन अपॉयंटींग ऑथॉरिटी आमचो सेक्रेटरी जी त्या सेक्रेटरी जीएन खंय ना खंय तरी वचून CSक मेळोन जावं ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टराक मेळोन सांगपाक जाय. ताणें आमकां सांगलां मॅसेज दिल्या की कन्वे करता म्हणून. पूण कन्वे इज नॉट अ सोल्युशन. ऑन द स्पॉट कितें तरी हें जावपाक जाय. एक्शन येवपाक जाय. प्रॉम्प्ट एक्शन जावपाक जाय. कित्याक हे अशें हें न्हू की बाबा आपणें इट इज अ डिसीज वायरल डिसीज डेडली डिसीज करपाक मेळना तशें. तेन्ना त्या पद्दतीन सरकारान एक निर्णय घेवपाचो. एक स्टाफ स्टॅगर्ड टायमिंगाक आपोवपाचो जावं कितें तरी असो हें घेवपाचो आनी सोल्युशन जावं. कित्याक आमी सगळेच जाण हांगासर स्टाफ इवन लॉकडावन पिरियडाक सुद्दां आमी काम केलां. आमकां आपयल्यात डिपार्टमेंटान कामाक. आमी येयल्यात कामाक. वी आर नॉट क्रिटिसायजींग दी गव्हर्मेंट. इट इज ओनली द रिक्वेस्ट फॉर दी गव्हर्मेंट टू एक्ट अकॉर्डिंगली एंड इन अ फास्ट वे. आनी कांयच ना गव्हर्मेंटाक कितें विचारपाचें तुमकां आनी.
If government doesn't listen to you and they carry on like this only, so what will be your further course of
See,
action?
it is not that we are criticizing you. I have cleared it because we are working for the government. It is our responsibility, sole responsibility of the employees to work. So in this particular situation, in this pandemic situation, we cannot take our risk to life. So we have some families at home. We have old person. Children are also there. So it is not possible to take these deadly diseases to our home. We took the precaution. It is not that we didn't take. So it is like that. The government has to act accordingly.
No, but the government is not ready to listen to you right now.
The government has to listen. We are the employees of the government. Government has to listen to it.
Otherwise, the
we
administration will collapse.
See, you cannot wait. You cannot wait the employees to go to a serious situation. It is not like that. Government has to take a call on it. It is a time situation. You have to do it.
So right now, you people have stopped the work, right, regarding?
See, we have gathered here to meet this CS, Chief Secretary, and the Secretary G. Our purpose is only to meet the Secretary. We are still waiting for Chief Secretary to come. It is not that we can let him see what is going on here. In this such situation, we cannot work. It is not a problem to work, but see the condition, see the situation of the this thing.
Filing
It
dangerous
is a
because
risk.
that can
It
also
is a
carry
risk.
this thing. So it's a risk for us.
Another thing is sanitization. We are been insisting from long back, from 1.5 month back, that sanitization work should be done, which is not yet completed. Every day, this thing they have to sanitize at least for thrice a day. That is not done. So in that situation, we cannot be.
Testing has been done in your department?
No, testing is not been done yet.
Everyone is
Because
doing
everyone, see, there will be asymptomatic patient and symptomatic patient. We don't know who are asymptomatic patient. They come here, they have some fever, they cold and this thing, but they don't go and check. It is the responsibility of the concerned department or the competent authority to send them for this thing, for checking. That is not done.
What happened here is our superiors basically they have failed to convey our message to the higher ups. It is their responsibility first. Now and again we've been telling them that this is what is happening. They should have been conveyed this to the superiors, the higher ups, and a firm decision should have been taken in a phase-wise manner. The department that is infected the most, that should have been closed first, and so on. So basically this has not been done. That is the reason why staff has come down now firmly and waiting for a decision of what is to be done next. We just request the administration to look into it, kindly look into it, and see what best can be done, rather than just allowing everybody to work and spread the infection which has been spreading very rapidly. This is our request.
We are told you go for checking only if you have symptoms. But then we have found that many asymptomatic patients are also there between us who are positive. So that is also wrong. No? Checking should be done for all. They can even conduct a mass checking in the secretariat itself. So we know who is positive and who is asymptomatic. That was a hot, no?
No.
Yeah, we placed our demands to them. So they said that they are putting our demands forward to the CS. Okay, CS will speak. We have said for staggered timing or 50% of working. Then we have said sanitization of the department at least 2 to 3 times a day by the housekeeping staff. Then we have asked testing of our staff who come in contact with the positive person. They have asked to give us the list whenever such thing happens, and they will coordinate and get it done. Okay, these are the things that they have assured us. And let us hope that this will come through after the Ganesh, because as it is now, most of the staff will be on leave. Okay. Present. Health Secretary was present. We spoke to Punit Kumar Goyal sir. So this is what, and he said that our demands will be placed by CS to CM, and then accordingly the decision will be conveyed. Yeah. We were not wanting to stop the work. Our only issue is that the filing that infection will, because it comes to many people. And we have also asked that public should not be allowed to enter because it is for their own safety as well as our safety. Only in case of emergency, meeting secretary should call up and tell, then we'll tell whether that person is to be allowed or no. That satisfies our demands hopefully. Yeah? Thank you. Yeah, thank you.